Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Jack and Lydia are on holiday in France. They are with their friends, Mike and Anna. Jack loves old buildings. He wants to see them. So he agrees to go sightseeing with Mike. Lydia and Anna want to go shopping. See you when we get back, the girls shout as they leave. In a small village, Jack and Mike find a beautiful old church. They enter the church, but a service is already going on. Quiet, just sit down. We don't want to stand out, Mike whispers to Jack. Act like the others. Jack and Mike do not understand French, so they follow what the crowd does. They sit, they kneel, they stand when the others do. I hope we blend in. I hope we don't look like tourists, Jack whispers to Mike. At one point, the priest makes an announcement. The man next to them stands up. We should stand up too, Jack whispers. So Jack and Mike stand up with the man. Suddenly, everyone in the church starts laughing. After the service, Jack and Mike talk to the priest. The priest smiles. He speaks English. What was so funny? Jack asks. The priest laughs and says, well, boys, a new baby was born. It's a tradition to ask the father to stand up. Jack and Mike look at each other. Mike shakes his head and laughs. I guess we should understand what people do before we act like the others, he says. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.